I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something fun. We're going to be doing a full makeover of this laundry room. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this makeover is going to consist of a lot. We're going to be removing this whole shelf right here. This is just the builder's shelf. We're going to be removing that and we're going to be putting in some cabinets. We're also going to be putting in a kind of a laundry table here where you can fold clothes, things like that. But what we're also going to be doing is we're going to be painting this room. This is just the builder's paint. It's kind of like an off-white. We're going to be changing that. And then we have these two units right here. We have a top-load washing machine and this front-load dryer. These are some Maytag units that I have. If you want to see some videos I did a lot of videos showing how to repair those, as well as some other units, some Frigidaires, also some refrigerators. I'll have those links down in the description. You can check those out. But we're going to be getting rid of these today. We're actually going to be replacing these with some stackable units that are going to go, not sure yet what side, but that'll open up one whole half of this laundry room. As you can see down here, I do have some cats. We got our litter boxes here, things like that. So what the goal is we're going to be removing these. We're going to put some stackables in here. And then on one side, we're going to have a table that my wife can use for putting the laundry out there, and the kids and her, whoever, can fold on there. Under the table, we're going to have some space where we can put the litter boxes. That'll open up all this here. Also behind the door, you can see right there's another litter box. So this door can't go any further back. So that'll change that. And then by painting it, it's going to look really nice in here. And then we're going to probably do some cabinets up above so all this stuff isn't all out and exposed. It'll be all sealed. It'll look really nice. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to be doing is we're going to remove this so we can start patching the holes and painting it. And then we're going to have the new units delivered, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to change, and then we'll be back. And this is not a how-to video. I'm just kind of bringing you guys along as we do this. So it's going to have a lot of time lapse in it. But I'm going to change, and then we're going to get started on this. Let me show you what I'm dealing with here. So you can see where the support rods were, where I had to pull it out, but let me show you what's going on. So they have a flathead right there. You can see it has a flathead pattern, but when you come back here, it's like a nail. So even though I'm rotating it, it's not coming out. And here's one that I actually removed so you can see it. It has a little bit of a very basic pattern, but it's not doing anything as I'm unscrewing it. So what I'm going to have to do is just kind of pull these out. We're patching this anyway with filler, so we're just going to have to fill all that. Everything has been taken out, as you can see, and we patched everything. It's all sanded and smooth. Washer and dryer out. Got to remove this pan right here. That thing's a mess. So I'm going to get this pan out of here. We're going to clean in here real good. Just wipe down all the dust from where I sanded, get the floor all cleaned up. Then I'm going to come in, put in the drop cloth. We're going to do all of the painter's tape along the baseboards and just everything. Take these plates off around the plugs, and then we're going to get down to painting. And then we'll be ready for them to deliver the new appliances and then start putting the room back together. But I'm going to do more time lapse again as we take it to the next stage. All right, so everything is ready as we saw. It's all been masked off. Got the drop cloth down, so we're ready to start painting. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all painted, and then we'll let it dry. And then tomorrow we have the washer and dryers being delivered. We'll continue at that point, see how that looks, and then we'll continue on with doing the shelving, the cabinets, and then wrapping this up. But let's get the painting started. I'm all changed up and ready to go. All the paint has dried. You can see all the cutting in against the white. This color looks really good. Everything's good there. And then also here on the ground, we have the new tub in. We went with the black. That way it'll match the new appliances because they're going to be more of a grayish color. So we didn't want to go with the white. But you can see it here. And then here's a shot from outside so you can get a better view of it. And we're ready to start loading everything in. All right, so I have the camera more on the kind of a fisheye angle so that way you can see the whole room because it's kind of tight where the tripod is, but just had the washer and dryer delivered. Looks really good. Everything's connected. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building the cabinets that go here. So they just arrived. So let's head into the other room. I'm going to put it in a time lapse. We're going to get all that assembled and built, and then we'll be back to mount it to the wall. And then the last piece will be building the table that goes here on the bottom, and then we'll wrap this up. Well, let's get that thing built. So all this is anchored in. It's really solid. And as you saw, what I did is I took two pieces of 1/2-inch blocking and connected it to 3 of the studs to really anchor this. They recommend putting in the drywall with drywall anchors. I'm not even going to gamble with that because I don't know what we're going to be putting in here, the weight, but I wanted it solid. But you can see this thing is locked in here this side here as well. This thing is solid. So the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to put the shelves in here. So let's get those in place, and then we'll start building the table and then get that added. And then we'll go from there. But let's get the shelving in here. And in case you're interested in any of this, I'll have links in the description of this video to some of the things that I'm using in case you want to do any makeovers and you're interested in purchasing any of these things. I'll have the links down in there. But we'll put this here. There we go. That looks good. So we have the shelf, and then we can adjust it. There's 2 other settings for the height that you can change it to if need be. Add that one. And add that one. I'll get a close-up up here, and then we'll start working on the table. And that's what I'm talking about, where you can adjust it right here, right there. You've got that shelf space there, up top. Then if we come here onto this one, same thing, smaller, but you've got your shelf there as well. So I just brought the table in here. As you just saw, we built it. My wife kind of gave me the dimensions of what she wanted, so we just went to Lowe's and just bought the wood and built it. But probably could have used one that was pre-made. It just wouldn't have been to the right size and height that she wanted it. So that's in place. So now the next thing that's left to do is we're just going to go to the store, just get a couple little things to decorate in here, and then that'll wrap up this whole laundry room makeover. All right, so we are done with this laundry room makeover. You can see we added the picture, the hooks on the wall, did the cabinets, new appliances. We built the table, added these little dispensers, the carpet on the floor, made it look all nice and pretty. But before we wrap this up, here's a quick before and after shot so you can see the transformation. you can see how much bigger, I mean, this room feels a lot bigger, looks a lot nicer. It's a lot easier to work in here now. I'll have links down in the description to any of the things that I used in this video, from the appliances to any of these accessories, things like that, in case you want to purchase the same thing if you're planning on doing a makeover to your laundry room. But that wraps up this video. I hope that this video was informative for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it maybe gave you some ideas if you're planning on doing a makeover to your laundry room. If you have any questions and comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.